Hello little friends, it's Miss Alicia. I wanted to teach you guys a really quick and easy recipe that you can do with your mom and your dad, whoever likes to bake in your house. So it's super simple. You only need 3 ingredients, and I know that you probably have all of these things on hand. So the first thing that you're gonna need is peanut butter. All right, so you're gonna take 1 cup of peanut butter and you're gonna put it right in the bowl. Okay. Then you're gonna do 1 cup of sugar and put that in the bowl too. And then you're gonna take 1 Easter egg. Ha ha ha, it's not an Easter egg. And you're gonna crack it. Oops. Put that right in the bowl. Then you're gonna just stir it all up. Just like we do in our classroom, stir it till it makes all the peanut butter go in that sugar. It smells good with all that peanut butter in there. When you're mixing it, you want to get all that sugar mixed all the way in. You don't want to see any of the white stuff. You don't want to see any of the eggs. Ooh, my oven's ready. Your oven needs to be set to 350 degrees. Once I get it all mixed up, just like that. Can y'all see it? Does it look good? It smells really good because it's peanut butter and I like peanut butter. Then you're gonna take a scoop or a spoon, whatever you have at your house, and you're gonna scoop the peanut butter cookies right onto the pan. Almost there. Just a little bit more, maybe 1 or 2 more cookies in here. All right, and then I'm gonna just take this whole pan and I'm gonna put it right in the oven. And I'm gonna set a timer for 8 minutes. And that's it. That's all you do. It's super simple. And when you get done, you have some yummy peanut butter cookies. I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you guys cook this recipe too. I want to see pictures if you do. I miss you guys.